Sheepies, welcome to day 6 of the 30-day SFX challenge. Today we are doing aging makeup, and honestly aging makeup's probably one of the most fun things, I reckon. And for a very young person who has quite nice eye wrinkles and forehead wrinkles already going for her, this is definitely one of the most fun makeups to do on actually anyone, because it just completely transforms them if you do it correctly.
Hey Sheepies, welcome to day 6. So first we're using Derma Shield all over the places where I'm going to be placing the liquid latex. I apply this to my whole face even though I only do half, just to be safe. So the method for aging today that we're going to be doing is using liquid latex, and it's called the stretch and stipple. So find your area where you want your wrinkle, stretch that area, and stipple the latex onto it in a thin layer. And then we're going to let it dry. If you have a hairdryer, it's probably preferable instead of waving a book in front of your face. But my hairdryer short-circuited the garage, so no thanks. Then we're going to powder it with translucent powder. And then once you release the stretch, it gives you a nice little wrinkle. Now we're going to repeat this in all areas where you're wanting wrinkles. Now, when you have liquid latex, please be extremely careful around your eyes. I did it on the corner of my eye and also on my eyelid. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, then don't do it. Some latex can have a pretty high ammonia smell that can irritate your eyes, and most people have sensitive eyes, so of course if you don't want to do it, I wouldn't recommend. I also did the same aging process on my chin and lower lip, only half of the lip though, and I did the exact same thing on my upper lip and half of my top lip too. Now if you're happy with just the latex stippling, you can leave it there, but I decided to take it a step further and start colouring. So I first freckle flick a light colour, and then a medium sort of freckle brown colour. And I colour flick this all over my face in different layers just to start layering and get the broken texture of a old lady's skin. Then go in using freckle flicking method and a stipple sponge to give a blush to her cheeks, as almost if she's angry. Then we're going to use white body paint to brush it into our eyebrows to give the old grey appearance. I also go in using the same blush colour that we used on the cheeks on the lips, just to give her a touch of colour. Also for her eye makeup, I simply used alcohol down, plums, blues all around the eye, and I tapped it out with my finger. I didn't record it because I'm silly.
Hey Sheepies, welcome to day 6 of the 30-day SFX challenge. I'm gonna redo that intro. I look so broad in this. Wow. My shoulders are very broad. Okay, anyway.